If you're deciding between Cortexica and Clarifai for visual search, you're probably wondering which AI tool truly delivers the best results. Both are solid choices, but there's a lot to unpack before you make your decision, and by the end of this video, you'll know which one could work best for your needs. Plus, I'll share a better alternative that I think you'll want to check out. First, let's look at Cortexica. This AI tool specializes in visual search and image recognition. It's used for identifying products and features in images, making it a great choice for retail and e-commerce platforms. One of its main selling points is how well it integrates with businesses' existing workflows. It offers a comprehensive, tailored approach that's great for large retailers looking for detailed analytics and custom solutions. Cortexica has an edge when it comes to accurate object detection in real-world environments, making it an ideal choice if you're in the fashion or retail sector. Next thing to consider is Clarifai. It's been around for a while and has built a reputation for being a very robust, scalable platform. One thing that stands out with Clarifai is its large database and training set, making it an incredibly versatile tool for multiple industries. Whether you're looking to use it for medical imaging, security, or even agriculture, Clarifai offers a highly flexible solution. However, it does require a little more technical expertise to set up and use effectively, especially for beginners. It can also be more complex to integrate, but if you have a team that's ready to dive deep, it's a great tool. So, when it comes to ease of use, Cortexica has a slight edge. Its interface is user-friendly, and the integration with retail platforms is streamlined. You can easily add visual search to your e-commerce site without needing deep technical knowledge. Clarifai, on the other hand, offers greater customization, but does come with a steeper learning curve. This makes it more suited to teams that can dedicate time to training the model and customizing it to fit their needs. The fourth thing to consider is pricing. Cortexica's pricing structure tends to be more flexible for mid-sized businesses, while Clarifai offers a range of plans that could scale up or down depending on your needs, but at the highest levels, it can get pretty expensive. If you're a startup or a smaller business with a tight budget, Cortexica might be the more cost-effective option for you. Next thing, let's talk about support and customer service. Cortexica offers personalized support, especially for retail and e-commerce clients, but it can be hard to get in touch with them if you're just starting out. Clarifai, on the other hand, has a well-documented support system, and it offers a variety of tutorials and an active user community. If you prefer a tool that's heavily documented and has a lot of user-driven content, Clarifai may suit you better. Another thing to note is that Cortexica's focus is more on visual search, while Clarifai offers broader AI capabilities beyond just image recognition, like natural language processing. So if you're interested in expanding beyond visual search in the future, Clarifai might offer more flexibility. Now, here's the part you'll want to hear about. After testing both of these platforms myself, I found something better. Both Cortexica and Clarifai are solid choices for visual search, but they're not perfect for everyone. If you're looking for something that provides a better user experience, simpler integration, and more competitive pricing, then there's a tool that I'd recommend instead. And lucky for you, it's in the first link in the description. Take advantage of the free trial through that link to get access to the best exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. The tool I'm recommending doesn't just stand up to Cortexica and Clarifai, it actually outperforms them in a few key areas for visual search, and you'll be able to test it yourself without any commitment. In conclusion, while both Cortexica and Clarifai have their strengths, they're not perfect for every use case. But if you want a better alternative for visual search, check out the first link in the description and see for yourself.